Right, I have two more questions with me here. And the first one says the dimension of a right angle triangle ABC in the figure below are given in terms of x. Find x. Now, you can see here I have 2x centimeter, here I have x plus 3 centimeter, and here I have x plus 1 centimeter. Okay, first is the solution. We can see that this is a right angle triangle and it can be solved using the Pythagoras theorem, which states that the square of the hypotenuse, and our hypotenuse here is 2x square, is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides, which is x plus 3 square plus x plus 1 square. Now this leaves me with 4x square being equal to, now expanding this, I will have x square plus 6x plus 9, that's 3 raised to the power 2, 9 plus, here I'll have x square, then I'll have plus 1x plus 1x, that's 2x plus 1. Then you can try that yourself, but it should probably give you this. Okay, I will have 4x squared being equal to x squared plus x squared to give me 2x squared. And here I have 6x plus 2x to give me 8x. Here I have 9 plus 1 to give me plus 10. Now, I will have these to be 4 minus 2x squared, or 4x squared rather minus 2x squared to give me 2x squared. Here I will have negative 8x, bringing it to over the equality sign, then I'll have negative 10 all equal to 0. I can still reduce this by dividing through by 2. If I divide through by 2, I'll have x squared, negative 4x, and negative 5 being equal to 0. And I can solve this by factorization. If I factorize this, I'll have x squared minus 5x plus x, because minus 5 less x plus x will give me negative 4x, then minus 5 being equal to 0. Okay, here I'll have x minus 5, and here I will have probably plus 1 out here, then x minus 5 equals 0. So here I will have x plus 1 and x minus 5 all equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0, x minus 5 equal to 0. Here I'll have x equal to negative 1, and here I'll have x being equal to positive 5. So I'm going to neglect the negative root once more, and this will probably be my answer. So for this, I can label this C, A, B. Okay, for my A being equal to x plus 3, I'll have that x is equal to 5, 5 plus 3, this gives me 8 for A. Then for my B, I'll have B being equal to x plus 1, and x is 5 plus 1, so my B is 6. Then for my C is equal to 2x, which is 2 times 5, which is 10. My C is 10. Now, how do we confirm if our answers are correct? Remember the Pythagoras theorem, c square being equal to a square plus b square. And we can confirm it by saying a square is 8 square, and b square is 6 square. Here is 64, 8 square, and here is 36. So this gives me a sum of 100. Now if I take the root of 100, I will have 10. C is equal to 10. So this is our answer. All right, I have a similar one here with me. And here I have that the area of a rectangle is 54 centimeters square. Its length and breadth are reduced by 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter respectively, so as to become a square. Find the length of a side of the square. Now, reducing 5 and 2 from the length and breadth will give us a square according to the question. And the area is 54. So I have given us a little bit of diagram here, so to let us visualize how it look like. Now you see this is the 5 and this is the part that we are looking for. Here is the 2 that was reduced from the breadth, and this is the part that we are looking for. So this part I named them X. Then here is the 5, here is the 5 that we're looking for, we removed or was reduced, and the 2 that was reduced. Now if I have X on both sides here, or first I can decide to look for the area of the rectangle. That can help me get the side of the square. So area of the rectangle has been given as 54 centimeter square. But from this diagram here, I can see that to get the length is equal to 5 plus x, and the breadth here is equal to 5 plus x, or x plus 5. Then here is x plus 2. Okay, now from the statement, I know that length times breadth will give me 54, which is the area here. So I'll have x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 2 to be 54, which is what I'm having here. So expanding this, I will have x squared. I have x squared, then x multiplied by this, I will have 2x. Here I will have 5x plus 10 equal to 54. This leaves me with 2x squared plus 7x. Bringing 54 over here, I'll have negative 44. All right, I can factorize this, and two numbers I can multiply together to give me 44 will be 11 and 4. And adding them together also, I will get this. So 11 and negative 4 rather, I'll have positive 11x and negative 4x to give me positive 7x. Then my minus 44 equals 0. Factorizing these, I'll have x here plus 11. Here I have negative 4x plus 11 being equal 0. And I'm left with x minus 4, x plus 11 equal to 0, where x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus 11 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4, and here x is equal to negative 11. So neglecting my negative root, my answer becomes 4 for x. So the side of the square, or the length of side of the square, is 4, while my length here is 5 plus 4, which is equal to 9, and the breadth is 5, or rather 4 plus 2, which equals 6. And we all know that 9 multiplied by 6, which is the area, 9 multiplied by 6 is equal to 54. And that's our final answer, 4. See, it corresponds to the 54, which is the area of the rectangle. Thank you.